Next we have is the number field. This field allows you to receive any numerical information in your forms. You can use this field for accepting users' contact numbers or any other numerical values. From the field options, you can change the different field label according to your requirements. Further, under the advanced option, you can see an option called step. This allows the users to enter specific legal number intervals. Next we have is the minimum value. So in the minimum value, you can enter the minimum numerical value which users are allowed to enter. Similarly, in the maximum value, you can enter the maximum numerical value your users are allowed to enter. Here you can see that we have set the minimum value to 1 and the maximum value to the 4. So this means that if a users enter numerical value apart from the minimum and the maximum value, then in the front end a message will appear telling them to enter a value less than or equal to the number you have set. Moving on, we have the default value. Here, set the default value to display in the form field. Similarly, you can fill out other options for your number field in here.